Hello everyone, welcome here. Introduction to full stack development. Understanding the role of a full stack developer. In full stack development, how the full stack developer can perform his role successfully to taking a necessary actions and technology. Let's see this presentation. We are going to giving you a base idea. So introduction here. Importance of full stack developer is a person who can develop both client and server side software applications. In terms of software development, client side where the user is going to be using or accessing an application, and server side where the software is going to be execute or run or perform an actions which the user request, which will be called as server side program running. In addition to mastering HTML and CSS, he or she also known how to program browser technologies like JavaScript, client and running of apps. A full stack developer has expertise in both front end and back end web development. It means they can work all aspects of web application life cycle, which is including user interface UI design, database technologies to making how to save a data in secure manner, server side scripting or server side logic writing using different programming languages such as Java, C Sharp, Python, and many more. Everything you should have an idea. Skills of a full stack developer. So technical skills, which is a base required, and how this course is going to be covered to make you master in less time front end development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these technologies which is comes under front end development. Back end development, server side languages such as including programming languages Java, Python, and C Sharp. Similarly, which are having frameworks which reduce and quickly develop your applications. It may be web application, Windows application, or it's a terminal command-based application as your requirement needs. And database management, which needs to store a secure data, who wants to use making a transaction with the user data, then you have to aware of this database management system. Along with these skills, soft skills which are required, something problem solving and analytical thinking. So this is a very importantly when it's a arising as like a required problem statement, all you have to find a better and good quality of a solution for this. Collaboration and teamwork, how you are going to be collaborate with your team and quickly give your inputs to solving a problem statements. Adaptability and continuous learning. Yes, when you are choosing as a full stack developer, this adaptability and continuous growing for a learning. Every software industry programs, softwares, applications, this all are comes with the updated versions. So how you are going to be adapting and learning and applying in this field is highly essential for everyone. Responsibilities of like a full stack developer. The designing part, if you chosen as an interface UI and UX. UI, which is a user interface, and user experience UX. Yes, when someone you called it as like a UI UX experience or developer, it will comes under client side, how the beautification you are going to be making a web page, and along with how user easily using with the understandable step-by-step process, he is making his completing his task, which is called user better experiences. Implementing server-side logic and APIs, integrating front-end and back-end components which are going to be communicate, database design, management and optimization for getting a better performance, testing and debugging of an applications to making a full life cycle, deploying and maintaining web applications which comes to the live scenario. Advantages of being a full stack developer. Yes, versatility and adaptability across different tech stacks. There is a huge opportunities for full stack developers being on a more than others who are having a single technology or knowledge. Full stack developer having a full stack of application lifecycle development environments. Hence, a full stack developer is having huge opportunities more than others. Ability to work independently or as a part of a team, complete end-to-end understanding of the development process, and you are going to be involving every step wherever it is necessary. Increased opportunities for career growth and advancement of technologies. Flexibility to work on various project types and sizes. Yes, it may be small project or it may be enterprise application or a project. Yes, you will have an advantages over there. Challenges faced by full stack developer. Yes, continuous learning is a challenge. So always you will grow and evolving technologies you will learn. This is a challenge. Why don't you take this? Balancing between multiple technologies and frameworks. Yes, this is a challenge. All you have to take in care. Managing complex projects with a diverse requirements, handling both front-end and back-end security concerns wherever you have to make a security aspects, you need to put it out. Career path for a full stack developer. Full stack developer roles in a small or large enterprise companies, freelancing or entrepreneurship of opportunities, transition into specialized role like a front-end developer, back-end developer, UI UX developer, as a coder. Different roles you can apply as a being of a full stack developer. Teaching and mentoring others aspiring developers as you can start as a freelancer. Conclusion. Recap the key points covered in this course. On every aspect of a section, you can learn and create a real world project scenarios. Emphasize the importance and the demand for full stack developer, what you are going to learning and practical knowledge, how you are going to be applying in your own practical development environment. Applying future learning and development skills in the field will take you in a vast role and the positions. Thanking you.